Start recording ke? Cakap nak start terus.
Alah. Siapa start?
Sekejap.
Siapa dekat? Siapa dekat? Okay, aku start Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, our group will presenting the subject business math, which is annuity house rental payment. The name that's stated in the slide is our group name, which is Nur Adila Dayana, Nur Ashikin, which is me, Nadia Kamila, Husna Fatini, and Nadia Kamila. So I'm going to press the next presenter to talk about what is annuity.
Okay, thank you Ashikin for the introduction. Now I will explain about annuity. An annuity is a contract between you and the insurance company in which you make a lump sum payment or series of payments and in return receive regular disbursement begins either immediately or at some point in the future. Next slide. We have selected the right company for housing installment payment. The company that we chose is called Rumah Ai. There are many services provided which are makeover service, rental management service, mover service, housekeeping service, repair and maintenance service, and also laundry service. Meanwhile, the service that we chose is the one that coincides with the questions and problems that we want to solve is the rental management service. Worry no more as our rental management company in Malaysia provide full integrated management of your property from researching your potential tenants, marketing on various platforms to collecting rental. Next slide.
Okay, so I will be presenting about the problem faced by house rental payment. So the first one is late rent payments. Having to deal with tenants who do not pay on time is incredibly frustrating, especially if they are repeat offenders. So the second one is frequent evictions. An eviction is a stressful and costly process. In order to avoid the severe financial and psychological damage caused by frequent evictions, you must do all you can do to prevent them. So the third one is staying organized. Landlord deals with a lot of paperwork, so because of this, paperwork can quickly become disorganized if you are not careful. This can cause you stress on a daily basis, but you may also find yourself in legal trouble if you lose an important document. So the solution of the late rent payments is the first one is strictly enforce your rent collections so that they are alert about their rental payments. And the second one is screen tenants truly so you can choose those who are likely to pay on time every month. So the second one is in order to deal with the financial and mental well-being with the frequent evictions, we can try these two proactive ways to avoid them. So the first one is improve tenant screening and implement payment plans. So the last one is staying organized. For document everything is by this we have to manage everything, emails, stats and written correspondence including renewals, addendums and lease contracts. Also ensure the storage with both electronics and hard copy method. And the second one is keep each property file separate. If you have multiple properties, one big file will not work. That is why we have to organize each rental or property files according to the same organization. So I will pass it to the next presenter.
Thank you, Husna. So I will proceed to the amount of the per payment. So our amount of the per payment is 1 month is for 500, 1 year 6,000, and 3 years 18,000. So we want to find what the future value of annuity for our rental. So R is periodic payment, which is 500. K is our interest, which is 6.75%. M is compound, and for this test, we took compounded monthly, which is uh, 12 months. N is compound multiplied to years. T is years, which we take 3 years for our rental. I is rate percentage divide to compound. So our formula for future value is S equal to R 1 plus I n to the power of n minus 1, and after get the answer E equal to I. So the calculation is S equal to 500 and 1 plus 9 per 16,000 to the power of 13, 36, and minus 1. After we get the answer, we equal to 9 per 1600, and we get which is RM 19,890.26 cents. Next slide. Next, we will find interest earned. The formula is I equal S minus I equal to S minus B. So the calculation is S is RM 19,890.26 minus to 500, and we get 19,390.26 cents. Third, we will find miss payment and payment done earlier than scheduled. If we fail to pay the first 4 monthly payment, we have to pay on the fifth payment in order to settle the outstanding errors. So our annual is 5 because we have to find the 5 payment, and the formula is S equal to R and 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1. After get the answer, we divide to I. Next slide. So the calculation is 500 and 1 plus 9 per 16,000 to the power of 5 minus 1. And after we get the answer, we divide to 9 per 16,000, and we get uh, 91,239 and 30 cents. And next, we find the outstanding balance if we decide to settle the rent immediately after the 16th payment. And new is 36 minus 26 because we have to find the 60 payment, and we get 10, which is 10. The formula is A equal to R and 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus bracket open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and to the power of negative n. After we get the answer, we divide to I. So the calculation is 500 1 minus 1 plus 9 per 16,000 to the power of negative 10. And we get the answer. We divide to 9 per 16,000, and we get the answer A is RM 40, RM 4,848 and 73 cents. Okay, that's all for me. We will proceed to the next presenter.
So for the conclusion is, an annuity is a long-term financial instrument designed to safeguard you against outliving your income stream. Annuitizing your purchase payments makes them monthly payments for the rest of your life. Our team gathered material for this research by holding numerous sessions to examine labor distribution. Instead, we combed through multiple websites to find and analyze the issue. Quantitative data is the data displayed as counts or numbers, with each data set having its own numeric value. Among other aspects, data quality is influenced by correctness, completeness, relevancy, validity, and consistency. Having access to enormous amounts of high-quality data help us make more confident decisions. Good data reduces the risk of failure and increases result. So next slide please. The reference that we have found in the website is this, and that's all from our team. Thank you.